Testing, testing, one, two, three. So, good evening, everyone, and let's begin today's live streaming session. So, today we have been giving out two treats. So, you can see that we have been giving out two treats. One is AUDUSD. AUDUSD, we have been doing short positions. Not so sure where. I think we have been doing short positions, but right now it's going back towards on the higher sides. So it's not looking good, and also the dollar index is going lower. So in other way, we'll be giving out the gold market to continue going higher. So we have been actually doing long positions and see whether can or not we can actually profit out above this area. So as I mentioned, we are actually planning to do long positions on gold and see whether or not we can actually profit out. Okay. So the AUDUSD it's actually doing shorts, and I already mentioned that why we have been giving out short positions regarding on this trade, because overall we do see that is going through a ranging level. So we are actually quite okay on doing short positions on this level, because overall my expectations on the gold market is going back to the lower sides. Okay, so remember, if everyone do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So if you do really interested on it, do remember to give us some supports out of it. Okay, so right now I think AUDUSD is still not quite looking good, but from the goal perspective, I'm thinking is actually considerable, quite okay, I guess. So let's see, can we actually profit out of this one? Still facing some kind of support, so not so sure can we make it out of the top. If we can, I think we can actually profit back about, oh shit, what happened? So strong downwards momentum. Is there any news? Let's see. But to be honest, I'm actually much more leaning to do long positions lah. Expectations that the price might be going higher. But anyway, if we do wrong, then we are actually just losing 5 to 10 pips, I guess. 50 pips. So let's see. If we do correct, I think we can actually get back 60 pips or so. But I'm actually aiming much more higher. So let's see, can we actually get much of it? Can we actually get back to the top side, or the prices continue going ranging level? Get back 60 pip. Okay, so let's see from the other things. I'm actually doing something else from the other pairing, so I might be remarking it. So let's see, crude oil. Crude oil, where is it? So I'll be putting out here and make it some adjustment. Okay, then this one we just close it out. And let's see on this one. Price to really look through. We are giving out on this one and closing up all the things and see what can we do about it. I am remarking it again, so this might take some time. Okay, so remember, if you do really like my content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. We'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day, giving out trades. So right now, I think we are just giving out AUDUSD and also the gold market. AUDUSD is actually reaching back towards our entry level, and for the gold, is still hanging there. Not so sure can we make it out, but if we do, I think we can actually get to the TP area, maybe reaching back towards on 100 pips or maybe 100 pips. So let's see, can we actually get back to this level? Hopefully we are actually profit out on this one. So that will be much more better. But let's see, going silver, I'm just remarking it this one. So let me just remark first, and then let's talk about the market situations later on. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just let me know on the comment section below. Okay, because I will be definitely keep on in touch with you guys and communicate with you guys as well. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see, price do really reach through this level. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Trying to be much more per sec. I think the price is actually wanted to go higher from this one. Going back to the 50 minutes. I'll be updating every single day and see how it turns out. From the 15-minute, we do see that the market is actually reaching through somewhere on the resistance area. So let's see. 50 minutes. Oh, sorry. 50 minutes area. Let's see. I think the price is actually facing some kind of resistance area. So let's see. Slipping some. Slipping some. Sun. Let's see how it turns out. Nice. Teaming. I think this is about right. Then doing another one to form support level. Price is actually forming this as a supporting level. 4.406 4.406。Okay, I think price should be forming some kind of support of this, forming a big support. Gold not looking good. Yeah, gold not looking good, to be honest. Still hanging on the ranging level. Is it spiking lower or going higher? Not quite sure. Thinking the price might be spiking higher any moment, but price didn't really get through. Still forming a ranging level. Quite unexpected. But AUDUSD still ranging. Well, let's see how it turns out. Can't do much about it. So we can just hope for the best for now. I think it should be not a really big impact on this one. Let's see. Use balik E. I think the price is actually spiking this low, is it? Let's see, is it spiked this low? Not really. The price really reached back lah. So I think we can put it as a reference area. Reference price to really reach through back. Expectations that price should be reaching back towards on the higher sides, to be honest. So let's see. Okay, so remember everyone, please do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day. And let's see. I think the gold market can't really hold down. I was thinking the price might be spiking back to the top sides. Seems like it can't really hold it much more longer. So thought that the price might be reaching back. 4-hour time frame, price to really spike back. Going back to the 1-hour time frame, 16, 17, 18. Well, there's a chances though. Not looking good lah. Need to see the spike up. Still forming ranging level. Didn't really go higher. Seems like continue going ranging if that's the case. USD, still hanging there. Well, let's see on the crude oil. See some adjustment. I don't think we can actually just see through the market though. So we just pen it down. Okay, remember everyone, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Even though the timing it's quite weird to be honest, but yeah, we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day. And give us some thoughts about it. If you do have any idea of what are those financial products do you need us to do and do some analysis, you can actually ask on the comment section below, and I'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions. Okay, so hopefully everyone can give us some support out of it. I think Euro USD is actually going ranging as I mentioned before. Price forming back. I think this is actually a solid supporting area, and price is forming a strong resistance from here. And price is thought will be falling back towards this level. Seems like the price didn't really face through some resistance a bit. I think the price is actually slowing down from here. This is my thought. Price is actually slowing down from this level. So let me think about it. Okay, so if you guys do have any questions, just let me know from the comment section below, and I'll be keep on letting you guys know what's we are thinking about. GBUSD, I think the price is also slagging out as well. So we are also actually give out some analysis that price is back, reaching back to top side, forming resistance and forming back, giving up from the black line. So this is what 19549.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. Hello everyone, welcome back to TMT where you master a trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing.
I think the gold market might not be looking good. Keep on reaching back towards highs and lows. So let me know what's your thought about it. If you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below and I'll be answering your questions. Okay, so let me know what's your thought about the market, what is your thought, and what is your expectations. Okay. Falling back, pushing through this one. 6.24，4price is actually forming this level and price going high, reaching back to this high level, slowing down, doing short positions from the high. Still considerable okay, I guess. Overall, my expectation is that still quite okay, and price to really reach back to this high. Exhaustions coming back, and the price is actually reaching back towards this level, but AUD might be not looking good AUD might be hanging there, so we might be doing any positions to hang in there. I think this area is big support. Be here. I think let's make it fine here. Whoa, quite strong. The uptrend is quite strong. Was expecting that, but gold market not looking good. AUD still 82. Quite long at the timing. AUD still not looking good. Price is actually slowing down. Yeah, I did expect that. Price to really reach back to the top side. Let's see how it turns out. But hopefully our gold market is actually handling down New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD price to really reach back. The price is actually reaching back, forming this big supporting level. I think the price is actually reaching back. Hopefully gold market is reaching back to the top side. Okay, I think we are done. See, USD. Yeah, I think the price is actually going ranging at the moment. Dollar index. I think the dollar index is the most important thing. I think our estimation is actually quite correct on the what we call the gold market. So let's try to emphasize on dollar index. Dollar index is actually really important. So remember. Okay. I think the price is actually swiping this. Didn't really maintaining it. So let's see. Price is actually reaching back. Reaching back. Slowing down. Facing a big resistance around here. Breaking through. Quite. Breaking through. Going lower. Let's see. The UDSD not looking good. Thought thinking that we might be profit out. But even though this is a resistance area, gold market not so sure. Still hanging there, keep on ranging. But I do expect that the market will be giving us some directions any moment. So not so sure is it going high or going low. So yeah, we'll be keep on watching it and see how it turns out. Even though we have been doing long positions, so hopefully we can actually profit out. Didn't expected this. Let's see, can we profit out on this one? don't really do long positions, to be honest, even though I do think it's going higher. But yeah, let's see. AUD. Let's see, can we get back? I do hope that the gold market is going higher, to be honest. So, it's really not so sure what is going on. 60 pips. I was thinking the price might be breaking through, but if the price didn't really break through, that means that price might be forming a ranging level. So let's see, can we hold it up and reach to our TP area, or the price is actually reached back to the lower sides? Okay, so remember everyone, give us like and subscribe, and do follow us, and we'll be doing live streaming sessions every day from 10 to 11. Okay, so hopefully everyone do give us some support out of it. So. Uh, okay. Like AUD not so sure. Can we hang in there? If we can, I think we can actually hang on the top side. But might be holding on another day. USD. Okay, so let's talk about the market situations. Okay, so firstly, everyone give us a like and subscribe, and do remember that why we are doing long positions. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so overall, because we need to know what is the trend of the market. Okay, so from the expectations for now, we can see that the trend of the market is actually going higher. Okay, so how can we see about it? So we can see that the market is actually going high, ranging up, and this is a really big rejections and rebalancing out. So from the short period of time, we can see that the market is actually give us a really strong, what we call a solid bullish. Okay, so a solid, what we call a solid balance area, and also maintaining up. So that's why we are actually much keen that the price wanted to go higher. And where is it going to? Should be higher back to 82, 83, or even much more higher. But anyway, my expectations for now should be going higher. But I think that the market is actually slowing down. So let's see. I think we might be changing our TP area later on. So let's see how it turns out from later sessions. But the AUD we also have been doing short positions as well from this one. So why we are doing shorts? Because I already mentioned that AUD is much more likely to form a ranging level. So if you wanted to do shorts, the best scenario is here. If you're doing shots from here, then it's the best scenario lah. Okay, then you can actually get a much more a costing perspective. But I already just do short positions by here. So if I just do short positions, put stop loss, I think it doesn't really make big difference from my perspective. So let's see, can we hold it down? So if we can hold it down, I think we can actually hit our TP area. Okay, but I think should be holding tomorrow. Most likely it's tomorrow. So this is my expectations. From the gold market perspective, yeah, I think we might need to hope for another day along. Okay, so today I think we'll be early out closing out our live streaming session. So if you do really like it, please give us a subscribe button, and please remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every day.
It all makes sense. and it's going to be that much more gratifying. You wouldn't fucking appreciate it if it just came easy. That's why trading is so unique, because it's so fucking hard, and when you actually get somewhere with it, it's super, super, super gratifying. You're doing something that not that it's a competition, but that's why people can't do it. Simpsons guy, man. Oh hell, like it's
Okay, so we continue doing long positions for now because we do expect that the momentum is actually slowing down, and we are actually give out long positions and expect that the market is going back towards this level. But it really depends on how the market situations, to be honest, because markets keep on changing. So if the price didn't really reach through before, I mean after 12 o'clock, I might be changing my TP area, means that I might be changing out my TP area. But let's see how it turns out, to be honest. So if we can get it, I think we can actually get back to 82. So I think we can actually just change to 82 area. So yeah. So let's make it 82, even though it's not a really big difference on this one, 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Not a really good trade lah. To be honest, I don't really like trading 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. It's much more what we call uh much more not a really good trade. I'm much more likely to trade 2-to-1. I mean risking 1 and getting 2, 1-to-2, risking risking 1 and getting 2, 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and will be much more better. But this is 1-to-1. I don't really like trading 1-to-1. But anyway, we'll be keep on trading on it. So remember everyone, give us some like and subscribe. And remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions, okay? So yeah, keep on doing live streaming sessions. So give us some like and subscribe, and we'll be keep on doing day trading every day. Day trading every day. The market's a bit slow lah, to be honest right now. So keep on doing live trades. Right now, I'm much more concerned about the AUD/USD pairings, to be honest. So hopefully the price is actually holding down. If the price really hold down, I think we can actually get some of it. Okay, so today we'll be closing out much more early. So remember, if you do have any questions, just remember to give us a like, subscribe, and do follow our live streaming sessions. We'll be doing live sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. So hopefully everyone do give us some support out of it. Like and subscribe, okay, and give us some what's your thought and what's your expectations and what's your thought, okay? So let us see what everyone thought about the market situations. The AUD/USD is facing a big resistance area. Not so sure can it break through this one, but the best scenario is actually doing short positions once the price really face some exhaustions, not just doing short positions rather on this level. Yeah, I think I need to know the whole story first. Only do short positions will be much more better. BTC USD is actually going higher. SP 500. Yeah, I think SP 500 will be continue closing up. So doing long positions is actually much more easy, and just keep on holding on it. Let's see. So sure can we make it to there or not, to be honest. The market momentum is not what I'm expected to. Keep on going, ranging from here. Price is actually holding up from here. So later on we'll be having a directions, but seems like the market don't want to go higher. So let's see. Keep on holding on it. Let's see on the dollar index. The dollar index is actually holding on it, forming a ranging level. Later on will be going lower as well. Much more likely to go lower from what I can see, because it's not quite likely to break through the top. So the momentum is also breaking as well. So this one is actually quite good thing to see. Means that the price momentum is actually not consistent. So this is actually a really good suggestions that the price is actually wanted to go much more lower, and let's see how it turns out from that area as well. Okay, so today we'll be closing out early, so remember, if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below. Give us some support, okay, because your support is actually really important. I do hope that everyone can give us a like and subscribe. So remember everyone, give us some like and subscribe and give us some support out of it, okay? I think today we'll be closing out early. Not so sure about the gold market. A lot of uncertainty. Second hour. First. Let's see, later on will be spiking back towards on the higher side. Okay, so I think that's about it for today. So everyone give us some like and subscribe, and do remember that we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day. Even though right now we don't have much audience for now, we still on the content restructuring. So I think that's about it for today. So everyone give us some like. Videos for sure. We wake up and shit on YouTube because it's free. We like helping people for free. We like slaving for 12 hours a day just for fun. Okay, so I think that's about it for today, and we'll be ending our sessions for now.